If our Earth is nothing more than a tiny grain of dust, then the entire solar system is like a vast oasis drifting in the endless ocean of the universe. Where do we human beings truly stand in this grand picture? And what secrets lie hidden within our great home, the solar system? Today, Astronomical Library invites you on a special journey, starting from Earth. The familiar blue planet, moving past mysterious neighbors such as Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn, and continuing all the way to the distant edge where the Oort Cloud surrounds our system like a faint and shadowy wall. This is not just a tour of the planets, it is a chance to understand more deeply. Where exactly do we belong in the universe? Let's begin at the very center of the sun, blazing with light, at the heart that sustains life and binds together everything in the solar system. Welcome to Astronomical Library. The solar system, also known as the Sun's family, is far more than a collection of planets circling a star. It is a vast, interconnected system, bound together by the invisible pull of gravity. At its heart burns the Sun, a colossal star that provides nearly all the energy needed to sustain life on Earth. Around it, 8 planets follow elliptical orbits, accompanied by dozens of moons, countless asteroids, icy comets, and dwarf planets. Together, they form a cosmic neighborhood that has existed for over 4.5 billion years. But to truly understand our place here, we must zoom out. The solar system itself is just one small part of a much larger structure, the Milky Way galaxy. Our system lies along one of its spiral arms, known as the Orion Arm, located about 30,000 light-years away from the galactic center. As the Sun drags all the planets, moons, and comets along with it, the entire solar system is hurtling through space at a staggering speed of about 220 kilometers per second. To complete a single orbit around the center of the Milky Way takes roughly 250 million years. In fact, since its birth, the solar system has already circled the galaxy 18 times, what astronomers sometimes call galactic years. This vast journey reminds us that even while we think of Earth as solid and still, we are in constant motion, carried along on a grand voyage through the galaxy. From a distance, the solar system may look like a simple set of planets revolving around a star, but in reality, it stretches much farther than most people imagine. If we picture it as a giant sphere, the edge of that sphere lies astonishingly far away. Astronomers estimate its boundaries extend at least 1 light year from the Sun, about 50,000 astronomical units. Or, some studies even suggest the true edge may reach nearly 2 light years away. Out there, beyond the planets, lies a mysterious region called the Oort Cloud. It is a vast shell of icy fragments, comets, and frozen debris remnants from the solar system's earliest days. The Sun's gravity was never strong enough to gather these objects into planets, so they remain scattered across the outer darkness, drifting like ghosts in space. Many comets that occasionally streak across our skies are thought to come from this very place. To put this into perspective, light from the Sun takes only 8 minutes to reach Earth, but it needs more than 4 hours to reach Neptune, the farthest planet. And to cross the entire solar system from the Sun to the Oort Cloud light requires nearly a full year. This invisible frontier, marked not by solid walls, but by the fading influence of the Sun's gravity, is the true edge of our cosmic home. Beyond it begins the realm of interstellar space. For centuries, humanity could only observe the solar system from afar through telescopes pointed at the night sky. But in the last few decades, we have taken the bold step of sending machines into the void, pioneers to explore where humans cannot yet go. In 1977, NASA launched 2 spacecraft that would forever change our understanding of the solar system: Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Originally designed to study the outer planets, they carried with them instruments, cameras, and even a golden record, a time capsule meant for any possible extraterrestrial civilization that might encounter them. Voyager 1 is now the farthest human-made object from Earth, more than 18 billion kilometers away. It has crossed the boundary of the solar system and entered interstellar space. Still sending faint signals back to Earth, Voyager 2, though on a different path, continues its own journey beyond the Sun's influence. Together, they have given us breathtaking images of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune landscapes no human eyes had ever seen before. 2 decades later, another mission ventured outward, Cassini. Launched in 1997. Its destination was Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Cassini orbited the planet for more than a decade, revealing the stunning beauty of its rings and discovering new moons. Its lander Huygens even descended through the thick atmosphere of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, offering us a glimpse of alien landscapes shrouded in methane lakes and orange haze. These missions remind us that exploration is not just about gathering data, it is about expanding the horizon of human imagination. Each spacecraft, drifting further into the unknown, is a messenger of human curiosity, proving that our reach can extend far beyond the cradle of Earth. The solar system is a family of worlds, each one unique, each one shaped by billions of years of cosmic history. Let us travel outward from the sun and meet these remarkable neighbors one by one. Closest to the sun is Mercury, a planet barely larger than Earth's moon. Its orbit lies only 58 million kilometers from the sun, making it a world of extremes. Daytime temperatures can soar above 430 degrees Celsius, while nights plunge to minus 173 degrees. With almost no atmosphere to trap heat, Mercury endures a cycle of scorching days and freezing nights. Its surface is scarred with craters, silent reminders of countless collisions with asteroids and comets. Gravity here is weak. If you weigh 68 kilograms on Earth, you would weigh only about 25 on Mercury. For all its harshness, this tiny planet holds ancient secrets, a fossilized record of the solar system's violent beginnings. Next comes Venus, often called Earth's twin. Nearly the same size as our planet, it is wrapped in a thick, toxic atmosphere of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds. For centuries, people imagined Venus as a lush paradise, but reality revealed something far different. Its atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat so efficiently that Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Surface temperatures average 470 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The air pressure is 92 times stronger than Earth's, equivalent to being nearly a kilometer underwater. Volcanoes cover its surface and lightning storms rage within its dense clouds. Even more strangely, Venus spins backward. Unlike most planets, it rotates in the opposite direction, a mystery scientists believe was caused by a colossal impact long ago. Harsh and unforgiving, Venus shows us what happens when a planet's climate spirals out of control. Then comes Earth, or home, the only planet we know that harbors life. From space, it shines with oceans of deep blue, swirling white clouds, and green continents. 70% of its surface is covered by water, making it a rare oasis in the desert of space. Earth's atmosphere, rich in oxygen and shielded by a magnetic field, makes it uniquely suited for life. Its tilt of 23 degrees creates the cycle of seasons. Its lone natural satellite, the moon, stabilizes its spin and shapes the tides. It's playing a quiet but crucial role in the rhythm of life. Yet Earth is fragile. Human activity is changing its climate, pushing temperatures upward at a pace unseen in history. Scientists estimate that life could naturally persist here for another billion years or more, but human actions may determine whether our planet remains habitable far sooner. For now, it is the only place we can truly call home. Beyond Earth lies Mars, a world that has captured human imagination for centuries. Its surface glows with rusty iron oxide, earning it the name the Red Planet. Though smaller than Earth, Mars hosts the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, 3 times higher than Mount Everest, a canyon system so vast it would stretch across an entire continent. Mars once had flowing rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. Today it is cold and dry, with thin air mostly made of carbon dioxide. Dust storms can engulf the planet for months at a time. Still, evidence of ancient water has raised the possibility that life might once have existed here on, perhaps still survives, hidden beneath the surface. Dozens of missions have landed or orbited Mars, from NASA's rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance to international explorers. For many scientists, Mars is humanity's best chance for a second home, a place where one day people may set foot and build new settlements. Dominating the outer solar system is Jupiter, a planet so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, it is a swirling world of storms and powerful winds. The most iconic feature of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot, a colossal storm larger than Earth that has raged for centuries. Its atmosphere is banded with clouds of ammonia and water ice, painted in shades of orange, white, and brown. Jupiter is not only a giant in size, but also an influence. Its immense gravity acts like a shield, deflecting or capturing countless comets and asteroids that might otherwise collide with Earth. In many ways, Jupiter has been a protector of life on our planet. It is also a world of moons at least 90 of them. Among them are the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Europa, in particular, has captured scientists' attention. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast ocean of liquid water, making it one of the most promising places to search for life beyond Earth. If Jupiter is the giant, then Saturn is the jewel of the solar system. It's famous for its magnificent rings. Saturn has captivated astronomers for centuries. Those rings, made of billions of icy particles and rocky fragments, stretch thousands of kilometers into space, yet are no thicker than a few dozen meters. Saturn, like Jupiter, is a gas giant composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Its winds reach speeds of over 1,800 kilometers per hour, and massive storms can erupt across its atmosphere. Saturn is also home to a large family of moons, over 80 in total. The most intriguing is Titan, larger than the planet Mercury, with a thick atmosphere and rivers and lakes of liquid methane. In 2005, the Huygens probe landed on Titan's surface, revealing a strange and alien world. Another moon, Enceladus, hides a subsurface ocean beneath its icy shell, with geysers spraying water vapor into space, another potential cradle for life. Moving further out, we reach Uranus, an ice giant unlike any other. Uranus is tipped over on its side, with its axis tilted by about 98 degrees. Scientists believe a colossal collision in its early history knocked it into this bizarre position. This tilt gives Uranus extreme seasons. Each pole experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Its pale blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Uranus is a cold and distant world, with temperatures dropping to -224 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Though faint and mysterious, it too is surrounded by a delicate system of rings and moons. At the edge of the planetary family lies Neptune, the farthest known planet from the Sun. It is a world of fierce storms and supersonic winds, reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour, the fastest recorded in the solar system. Its deep blue color, richer than Uranus, comes from methane and possibly other unknown elements in its atmosphere. Neptune is marked by dark storm systems, including the Great Dark Spot, a storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot but far more transient. Neptune also hosts the moon Triton, a frozen world that orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. Triton is geologically active, with geysers that spew icy material into space. Many scientists believe it was once a captured object from the Kuiper Belt. With Neptune, the known planetary tour ends, but beyond it, the solar system continues into even stranger and more distant realms. The solar system is not only made of planets. Between and beyond them lie vast regions filled with countless smaller worlds, remnants from the chaotic birth of our system. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the Asteroid Belt, a wide ring of rocky debris stretching millions of kilometers through space. Here, billions of fragments orbit the Sun, some as small as pebbles, others hundreds of kilometers across. This belt never formed into a planet, likely because Jupiter's immense gravity disrupted the process. Among these bodies is Ceres, once considered a planet, but now classified as a dwarf planet. It is the largest object in the asteroid belt, a rocky world with traces of ice, and possibly even a hidden subsurface ocean. Far beyond Neptune lies another, even larger region, the Kuiper Belt, extending from about 30 to 50 astronomical units from the Sun. This icy frontier is home to dwarf planets, comets, and frozen debris. Here we find Pluto, once the 9th planet, now recognized as a dwarf planet. Though small, Pluto is an active world with icy mountains, vast plains of nitrogen ice, and a thin atmosphere that expands and collapses with the seasons. Its heart-shaped plain, captured by the New Horizons spacecraft in 2015, reminded us that even the smallest worlds can hold wonders. Pluto shares the Kuiper Belt with other dwarf planets such as Eris Haumea and Makemekich, with their own unique features, and each a key to unlocking the story of how the solar system was formed. Even farther lies the most distant and mysterious region, the Oort Cloud. This vast spherical shell of icy objects surrounds the solar system like a foggy border, stretching nearly to light years from the Sun. Though no spacecraft has reached it, the Oort Cloud is believed to be the birthplace of many long-period comet celestial wanderers that sometimes dive into the inner solar system, blazing across Earth's skies before retreating into the dark. The Oort Cloud marks the final boundary. Beyond it lies interstellar space, where the Sun's influence fades and other stars begin to dominate. From the blazing heat of Mercury to the icy frontier of Neptune, from the rocky asteroids to the frozen depths of the Kuiper Belt, the solar system is a vast and diverse family of worlds. It is our cosmic neighborhood, ancient, dynamic, and still full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And yet, as immense as it seems, the solar system is just one tiny corner of the Milky Way galaxy, which itself is only one of hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. To grasp this perspective is both humbling and inspiring. Now, Earth remains the only known planet to support life. It is our oasis, fragile and irreplaceable. But the story of exploration does not end here. Scientists believe that in the distant future, life on Earth may not last forever, perhaps 1 billion years or more before natural changes make it uninhabitable. And long before that, threats from space asteroids, supernova, or even our own actions could reshape our destiny. This is why humanity looks outward. Mars, Europa, Titan worlds that may one day host human settlements remind us that our future could stretch beyond Earth. The missions of Voyager, Cassini, and others are only the beginning of this journey. The solar system is not just a collection of planets and rocks. It is our home, our history, and perhaps our future. To explore it is to explore ourselves too. Understand where we came from, where we are now, and where we might go. As we continue our voyage into the cosmos, one truth remains. We are all children of the sun, carried together through the galaxy on this great and timeless journey. If this journey through our solar system has inspired you, don't stop here. In the coming episodes of Explore the Solar System, we will dive deeper into each planet, moon, and mysterious friend-terrain, covering the secrets that make our cosmic neighborhood so extraordinary. Subscribe to Astronomical Library and join us on this voyage of discovery. Share this video with others who wonder about the universe, and let's continue exploring together. Because the more we learn about the stars above, the better we understand our place here on Earth, our fragile, precious home.